Thanks for joining me today for a quick look at unboxing the new Google Pixel 6a. I literally just got this phone in the mail and I really can't wait to start setting it up. It's replacing my older LG G8. This phone should be a lot faster. The Pixel 6a is right around the same size as my LG G8. It's weighing in at about 178 grams. It's going to be about 6 inches tall, 2.8 inches wide, 0.35 inches thick, or 8.9 millimeters thick. The Pixel 6a is coming with 6 gigabytes of system memory, the Google Tensor CPU, and 3 total cameras. There are 2 rear-facing cameras, a primary 12.2 megapixel camera, as well as a wide-angle 12 megapixel camera. There's also a front-facing selfie camera. This one's 8 megapixel. In terms of the video capability, the main rear camera can shoot up to 4K 30 FPS. There are tons of features such as stabilization, slow-mo, time-lapse, and a lot more. Video recording is available in either AVC, H.264, or HEVC, or H.265. This time around, the fingerprint sensor should function quite a bit better than the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro sensor did at launch, and it might even function a little bit better than they do now, as it has been upgraded. The Pixel 6a, of course, utilizes USB-C, it has Wi-Fi 6 support, and it also supports dual SIMs. We're getting 5 years of operating system and security support for the Pixel 6a, which is very awesome to see. Hopefully, we can extend that life past the 5 years with custom ROMs. We'll have to see how that shakes out. At first glance, I like the slimmer profile than my main phone, which is an S22 Ultra. It's massive, especially with the case installed. In the first few minutes that I've been playing with the phone so far, it's been pretty fast in terms of the application, general movement on the phone, and the update process. I'm looking forward to making more content on the processing power, the battery life, the cameras, both photo and video, and my overall impressions after living with the phone for a few weeks. So definitely stay tuned. If you're interested in seeing more phone and tech videos, get subscribed to the channel, then like this video, and let me know in the comments section what type of tests you want to see first on this phone.